Welcome to Aptitude Concept videos. Partnership. Let's discuss the problem based on additional investments. A started a business by investing rupees 25,000. 6 months later, B joins by investing rupees 15,000. After 6 months, B invests an additional amount of rupees 15,000. Means that B has invested 15,000 in a 2 different time periods. Let's discuss the problem based on this. So A has invested the amount 25,000 and this amount is in business for entire 3 months, so 36 months. A has invested the amount 15,000 and this amount is in business for only 30 months because B invested this 15,000 after 6 months only. So again B has invested 15,000 and this 15,000 is in business for only 24 months. So the entire 15,000 plus 15,000 is invested by B, but at different time periods, 30 months and 24 months. So let's calculate the ratio based on this. 25,000 into 36 is to 15,000 into 30 plus 15,000 into 24. So you have to add the investment by B at different time periods. So if you simplify, you will get the value 10:9 as a ratio. Here what is our question? What is B share in the profit? So among 19 parts, 9 parts goes to B as per the ratio. So multiply this with the total value 2,47,000. Simplify this, you will get 1,17,000 as a profit for B. Thank you.